Hey, welcome to day 2, week 2. Okay, so that means I've been doing this for 9 days. Tomorrow I can say I'm about halfway through it. Figuring 21 days, that'd be 10. So accountability, I made it through all of day 2. The last 2 days I haven't had any Shakeology because mine ran out. So today I had the normal fruit, and then I had the pinto beans and rice for lunch, and then the sweet potato soup with the asparagus for my evening meal. All tasted delicious. I did add extra cinnamon to this. Cinnamon was an extra spice. No agave. We're not allowed for agave during this phase. There's no recipes with it in. Supposed to stay away from that. Completely vegan at this point. No eggs, no dairy. And with that being said, that is why you can't have this Shakeology. The normal Shakeology is not vegan, so that has to go back in the cupboard. But my tropical Shakeology came, and I'm excited. I haven't had it only once maybe. This is vegan, healthiest meal of the day. I was so excited I could have it, and then I saw the video from Carl and Isabel, and they said you can have a half a serving of it once a day. Unless you're super hungry at night, then you can have one after your evening meal. So I get a half a serving of this, but I'll take it. They don't want us to do a lot of protein. That is actually because we're not working out, we're not building muscles, we're not trying to break down muscles. So less protein, which was evident from today's meal. My only thing that had protein in it, I think, was the beans and the pinto beans and rice. So anyway, made it through day 2. Tomorrow's day 3. Supposed to have some quinoa and lentil pilaf. I'm not so sure about that one yet, but we'll make it and we'll see if it tastes good. We'll see you tomorrow.